Duce del Bago.
So Sarah going with them or?
Perfect timing.
So majestic. Yes. Yes.
You know,
Yes.
your head doesn't look as fat today for some reason.
Yeah, my head swells and unswells. I don't know what's up with it.
There you go. Movie time.
Okie dokie, over to Pops. Move slow so people don't get sick.
There you go.
That's a big kahuna right there. Say something poetic.
Fart.
There once was a man from Nantucket.
Yeah, look at that over there.
Let's see.
Look at that sunset there. I don't know.
Yeah, we should have a nice sunset tonight. And oh, there just happens to be pretty little Stacy now looking at me. Hi, Stacy. Say something poetic.
There was a man from
Nothing? Okay. Okay. What? Isn't she pretty, folks? She's so pretty.
So fun.
She's so fine and pretty. Let's see.
Yeah, you can give the camera.
Yeah, that's pretty too. Hey, pretty.
What?
Looking good, Pops. And now Dad wants you to film. Okay. There you go, Mrs. Spanier.
Oh, Caleb.
Still very majestic.
Oh yes. Oh
Like-
yes.
Low to the ground.
And then.
Yours lower than mine?
Oh, you can move yours back. You have to pop up the.
The arms.
Yeah, the arms.
Sugar.
Oh, okay.
Sugar.
Oh, I'm supposed to go over to the side,
Engine mode.
and I gotta go really slow, so it won't make anyone sick. Okay, the sunset's it's coming. It's coming.
How did they go? I need to start writing limerick.
Ooh.
Oh, the TV is kind of nice.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Still majestic. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Ah. Ah.
Oh, now you